Hi, I'm Yashwant. Welcome to the Techie Empire YouTube channel. So in this video, I want to talk about the most asked interview question, tell me about yourself. And I will also give you suggestions on how to answer tell me about yourself. So first of all, in order to answer tell me about yourself, you need to understand few questions. First of all, why tell me about yourself is important. So whether you are a fresher or an experienced candidate, or even you are a manager in a particular company. So when you are transferring a company and when you are searching for a new job or when you are attending an interview, the first question that you might be asked is tell me about yourself. It is a very important question. Why companies ask tell me about yourself? So there are various reasons for that. The first thing is they want to know about yourself in a very quick and detailed way. So of course you may tell like I have a resume, right? But resume will not cover everything. So if you tell, resumes might be fake, but the answer you tell in front of an interviewer will not be fake. So that's the only intention why interviewers will ask you tell me about yourself. It plays a very important role. So if you can answer in a quite fluent manner, if you answer in a very confident way, then ultimately it boosts your confidence. Also it creates a good impression to the interviewer. So that is the main reason why interviewers will ask tell me about yourself. They want to know how you speak, they want to know what are the things that you have done, they want to know how you're confident on yourself. That's the only reason why companies will ask you tell me about yourself. So keep it in mind. So there are few tips that you need to follow before answering tell me about yourself. The first thing is make it short. So the average answer should be 2 to 3 minutes. So don't prolong the answer, don't overtell the things that you already told. So make it short. So when you are answering the question of tell me about yourself, so just finish it off before 3 minutes. This is the ideal way that interviewers can expect, because if you answer that question more than 3 minutes, then ultimately interviewers will get bored. So keep it short. This is the first thing that you need to remember. And the second thing is keep it precise and don't repeat. So the common mistake that many of the people do, many of the candidates do in the interview is they will repeat the sentences which are already there in the resume. That is very bad. So because as you already gave them the resume, so try to cover the things which are not there in the resume and don't repeat your personal information or whatever it might be. Don't repeat. Keep it precise and also short. And the next thing that you need to remember is highlight your achievements, because if you have achieved something recently, try to highlight that, because it is very important. It tells the interviewer that you're very good in particular things and you have achieved something, so which creates a positive impression. So always try to highlight your recent achievements, whatever it might be, whether it might be related to your academics, whether it might be related to the job that you are applying, whatever it might be. Try to highlight at least few achievements of yours in the recent times. The other thing that you need to remember is make sure you highlight your strengths, because while telling about yourself, so apart from the educational qualifications and the projects that you have done, there are few things which interviewer expects from you. That is, what are your actual strengths. So try to highlight your strengths. Make sure you talk about your strengths, whatever it might be. Like if you are a good programmer, try to highlight that. If you are an experienced candidate, try to highlight like what are all the milestones that you have achieved in your previous company. Or if you are a student, you can also highlight your internship experiences. So whatever it might be, if you are confident on few things, then ultimately try to tell them. So it is very important to highlight your strengths, because it is something that creates very positive impression to the interviewer. And the other thing that you need to remember is link your strengths with the company. So if any of your strength matches to the role that you are applying, then ultimately don't forget to highlight that, because it is very important. So if you are applying for a role, so if you are applying for a UI developer role or a web developer role, so if you have already built some websites in your college days, then ultimately try to highlight that, because it is something that you are going to work in that company. And if you already done something, if you already achieved something, then ultimately try to link that. So whatever it might be, if the company has some relation with the things that you're actually good at, then try to highlight them. And the other thing that you need to remember is keep it professional. So the common mistake that most of the candidates do is they include most of their personal information in the tell me about yourself, whether it might be family details or things which are nowhere related to the job that they were applying. So try to minimize your personal details, because it is not interviewers expect from you. They want to hear everything positively, so that they can find a reason to hire you. So don't waste their time by simply telling about your personal details. Or I can say I advise people to make it completely professional. So whatever the information that will help you to get into that company, cover only those things. Don't go into the information which is unnecessary at that point of time. The last thing that one need to remember before answering that question is don't make it look like it was a scripted. So the other common mistake that people do is they just simply read out something on the internet, or I can say they mug that, and they will answer exactly the same that they have read or they have seen in the internet. This is very wrong. because if the interviewer feels like you are using some scripted information, or you are just, I can say, telling without your consciousness, then ultimately there are more chances that it creates a negative impression. So always try to make it very simple and natural, so don't make it look like a scripted one. So the first thing that you need to do is don't over prepare. So if you have prepared for some answer, then ultimately it looks like a scripted one. So make it look natural, then it creates an impression that you are very confident on yourself. These are all the things that you need to remember before answering the question, tell me about yourself. So for more videos on interview preparation, or for more job updates, please subscribe to the channel and also follow Techie Empire on social media using the links in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you're a new visitor. Thank you.